is remove this one probably the battery, so the parts it's under here, as you can see. All right, I did take this battery and stuff, but I still need space here. All right, I did take everything out, so I'm gonna change starter here. Now it's easy to take it off. All right, it seems easy. Some bolts can be stuck, then I think it's the same size this bolt. Okay, the same size. Okay, so disconnect the wire, battery wire, disconnect this wire too, and alright, a second. Alright, there you go. There you go. This is it. It has oil on it. This car has been leaking somewhere. Alright, this is new part from Amazon, aftermarket part. Alright, almost there. Okay. Alright, the last thing.